Somewhere above us, beyond the blue shell of Earth's atmosphere, there may be oceans we have never seen, cities older than human history, and minds that have watched stars rise over worlds with two suns. Or there may be nothing, just silence, an endless universe filled with dead planets and unanswered signals. Tonight we ask one of humanity's oldest questions: do aliens exist? The answer depends on what we mean by aliens. Microbes beneath alien ice? Intelligent civilizations among the stars? Or visitors already crossing our skies? The evidence is fascinating. The objections are powerful. And between them sits one unsettling fact. The universe is far larger than the human mind was built to understand. Radio dishes sweep a star-strewn sky, listening for patterned whispers, signals that would prove we are not alone. Grainy frames remind us, mystery seduces before evidence speaks. We look, measure, and ask what the noise is hiding. The first argument for alien life begins with scale. Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. Beyond it, there are billions of galaxies. If even a tiny fraction of those stars have planets, and a tiny fraction of those planets have the right conditions for life, then Earth may not be special. It may simply be one address in an enormous cosmic neighborhood. For most of human history, planets outside our solar system were only theories. Today, thousands of exoplanets have been identified. Some are gas giants, some are scorched worlds orbiting too close to their stars, but others sit inside the so-called habitable zone where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. And wherever water exists on Earth, life has a way of appearing. For most of human history, planets outside our solar system were only theories. Today, thousands of exoplanets have been identified. Some are gas giants, some are scorched worlds orbiting too close to their stars, but others sit inside the so-called habitable zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. And wherever water exists on Earth, life has a way of appearing. Imagine a calm, single star system. In its green band, an Earth-like orbit circles, where liquid water could quietly endure. That is the second major point in favor of aliens. Life on Earth is incredibly stubborn. It survives in boiling vents at the bottom of the ocean, inside acidic pools, beneath Antarctic ice, and in places with crushing pressure and no sunlight. These organisms are called extremophiles. They suggest that life does not need a perfect paradise. It only needs a foothold. In labs and icy fields, life clings to extremes. Petri dishes, frost, and careful hands reveal biology's stubborn resolve. If life can survive in Earth's most hostile environments, then scientists ask a simple question. Could it survive beneath the ice of Europa, in the subsurface ocean of Enceladus, under the ancient riverbeds of Mars? The idea of alien life no longer belongs only to science fiction. It belongs to biology, chemistry, and planetary science. Geysers on frozen moons breathe into space. Rovers cross red deserts. If niches exist, life might seize them. The third argument is chemistry. The building blocks of life are not unique to Earth. Organic molecules have been detected in space, in meteorites, and in distant clouds of gas and dust. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, the basic ingredients of life as we know it, are common across the cosmos. The universe is not chemically sterile. It is seeded with possibility. Under microscopes, ordered crystals and carbon chains hint at chemistry's reach, simple parts assembling into complex possibility. Some scientists even argue that life may spread from world to world through a process known as panspermia. A meteor impact could blast material from one planet into space. If microbes survived the journey, they might eventually land somewhere else. This does not explain how life began, but it raises a provocative idea. Life may travel. Picture a microbe shielded in stone, drifting for ages. A star glows nearby. The journey continues, life as a traveler. Then there is Earth's timeline. Our planet formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Evidence suggests life appeared relatively early in Earth's history, once conditions became stable enough. That matters. If life emerged quickly here, perhaps life is not a cosmic accident requiring impossible odds. Perhaps given the right chemistry and enough time, life is what planets do. Early Earth's waters teemed with single cells, drifting like dust in sunlight, humble architects of everything to come. But this argument has a shadow. We only have one example. Earth, one biosphere, one data point. From that single example, we are trying to estimate the behavior of an entire universe. The case for alien life is powerful, but it rests on a question we still cannot answer. Was Earth typical? Or was Earth a miracle? Earth falls away into darkness. Stars brighten. The question lingers. Miracle or pattern we have barely begun to see. Microbial aliens are one thing, intelligent aliens are another. Bacteria beneath alien ice would be revolutionary. But when most people ask if aliens exist, they imagine something more dramatic. Civilizations, technology, signals, machines, perhaps even spacecraft. The argument for intelligent aliens also begins with numbers. If life exists on many worlds, intelligence may have evolved elsewhere too. From stone tools to servers and satellites, progress stacks quickly, each step amplifying the voice of an intelligent species. On Earth, intelligence produced language, tools, agriculture, cities, mathematics, satellites, and radio signals. In only a few thousand years of civilization, humans went from stone structures to machines on Mars. If another species had a million-year head start, their technology might be so advanced it would look almost supernatural to us. A quiet rover waits. Imagine civilizations building megastructures, indistinct ghosts on our horizon of possibility. This is where the Drake equation enters the story. It is not proof of aliens. It is a framework. It asks how many stars form, how many have planets, how many planets could support life, how often life becomes intelligent, how often intelligence creates technology, and how long civilizations survive. Change one number, and the galaxy becomes crowded. Change another, and it becomes empty. Adjust one variable, and the galaxy crowds. Change another, and it empties. The Drake equation frames our ignorance. The Drake equation is powerful because it exposes the mystery. We know stars are common. We know planets are common. We know some planets may be habitable. But we do not know how often life begins. We do not know how often intelligence evolves. And we do not know whether technological civilizations last long enough to be noticed. Numbers fade. A calm starfield remains, beauty without answers, a canvas where probability meets silence. Then comes the most controversial argument of all. Unidentified flying objects, now often called UAP, unidentified anomalous phenomena. For decades, pilots, military personnel, radar operators and civilians have reported strange objects in the sky. Some move in ways that appear unusual. Some seem to accelerate rapidly. Some remain unexplained after investigation. To believers, these reports are not random. They are clues. They argue that when trained observers see objects they cannot identify, and when instruments appear to record something unusual, the possibility of non-human technology should remain on the table, not as fantasy, as a hypothesis. To believers, These reports are not random, they are clues. They argue that when trained observers see objects they cannot identify, and when instruments appear to record something unusual, the possibility of non-human technology should remain on the table, not as fantasy, as a hypothesis, a single word on a dark card, a pause to separate speculation from proof and questions from conclusions. The strongest version of this argument does not say every UFO is alien. It says a small number of cases remain difficult to explain. History has shown that many sightings are aircraft, balloons, drones, planets, atmospheric effects, sensor errors, or hoaxes. But believers focus on the leftovers, the cases that resist easy answers, unresolved. Some cases refuse easy boxes. They demand patience, better instruments, and the courage to say we don't know. And that is where the mystery lives. Not in the thousands of cases that collapse under scrutiny, but in the handful that do not. For some, that unexplained residue is enough to suggest we may not be alone. For others, it proves only one thing. Humans are very good at misidentifying what they do not understand. An empty star field humbles us. Absence can be data. The unknown sets the edge of the map. Now we turn to the other side. The argument against confirmed alien existence is not simply denial. It is built on evidence too, or rather the lack of it. After centuries of looking up and decades of scanning the skies with advanced instruments, we have not confirmed a single alien organism, alien signal, alien artifact, or alien spacecraft. The silence is enormous. Screens roll with clean spectrograms. Nothing obvious, nothing definitive. In science, no result is still a result. This is the Fermi paradox. If the galaxy is so vast, and if alien civilizations are likely, then where is everybody? Why have we not detected their signals? Why do we not see their probes? Why is the night sky not filled with signs of engineering on a cosmic scale? The universe looks natural, quiet, unclaimed. We scan for artificial glows and cosmic scaffolds, and see only nature. If builders exist, they hide well. One argument against intelligent aliens is distance. Space is not just big. It is hostile on a scale that defeats intuition. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes years to travel between nearby stars. A civilization could exist hundreds or thousands of light years away, but communication would be painfully slow. Travel would be even harder. Distances turn messages into generations. Calendars flip while photons crawl. Conversation slowed to the speed of starlight. The nearest stars are separated by trillions of miles. A signal sent today might not receive a reply for generations. A spacecraft would need immense energy, advanced propulsion, radiation shielding, and life support, or machines that can survive for centuries. The galaxy may be full of life, yet still functionally unreachable. Out there, a probe weathers dust and radiation. Crossing voids takes more than courage. It takes centuries. The next major argument against alien visitation is the weakness of the evidence. UFO sightings are intriguing, but they are rarely conclusive. Blurry videos, eyewitness testimony, radar anomalies, and second-hand claims can raise questions, but they do not equal proof. Extraordinary claims demand evidence that can be tested, repeated, and independently verified. Evidence bags line a bright table, but artifacts that change history remain stubbornly absent. Human perception is unreliable, especially at night, at high speed, or under stress. Cameras distort distance. Infrared footage can confuse heat signatures. Radar systems can produce errors. Objects that appear to move impossibly fast may be closer, smaller, or slower than they seem. Mystery is not the same as alien technology. Consoles flicker. Radar paints false returns, then corrects. Sensors are powerful and fallible, like us. There is also the problem of secrecy claims. Some argue that governments possess alien evidence but hide it. While governments do keep military secrets, a global alien cover-up would require extraordinary coordination across rival nations, scientists, contractors, pilots, and agencies. Over many decades, physical evidence would likely leak in a form that could be tested by independent experts. Labs hum as samples are logged. Claims must survive daylight, chain of custody, replication, independent review. The absence of public, testable material does not prove aliens are not visiting Earth. But it does weaken the strongest claims. A recovered alien craft, biological sample, or clear technological artifact would change history overnight. So far, no such evidence has been publicly verified. An empty pedestal waits. If a clear artifact appears, the world will know, because proof withstands scrutiny. Another argument against intelligent alien life is known as the rare Earth hypothesis. It suggests that simple life may be common, but complex life could require a long list of lucky conditions: a stable star, a protective magnetic field, plate tectonics, liquid water, a large moon, the right atmosphere, and billions of years without total catastrophe. A stable climate, magnetic shield, plate tectonics, a moon, all the luck Earth gathered, perhaps rarely aligned. Earth's history was not smooth. Life nearly ended many times. Asteroids struck, supervolcanoes erupted, ice ages spread, species vanished. Intelligence did not appear quickly. It took billions of years. If complex life requires that many steps, then intelligent civilizations may be extremely rare, even in a galaxy full of planets. From cells to cities took eons. Evolution's staircase is steep. Most life may never climb so high. Then there is the great filter, the idea that somewhere between dead chemistry and star-traveling civilization, there may be a barrier most life never crosses. Maybe life rarely begins. Maybe intelligence rarely evolves. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves before reaching the stars. If the filter is behind us, humanity is lucky. If it is ahead of us, the silence of space becomes darker. A passing shadow dims the stars. If a great filter looms ahead, survival becomes our first discovery. So, do aliens exist? The most honest answer is layered. Simple alien life may be likely. Intelligent alien life is possible. Alien visitation remains unproven. The universe gives us reasons to believe and reasons to doubt. And perhaps that is why the question endures, because every night, above every city, the sky remains both a window and a locked door. Under city lights, we look up together. The sky offers wonder, and a locked door without a key yet. If life exists somewhere else, the discovery would not just change science, it would change the story of humanity. We would no longer be the only known minds in the cosmos. But if we are alone, then Earth becomes even more extraordinary. A rare flame in a universe of darkness. Earth shrinks to a pale glow, swallowed by stars. Our story is small, but not finished. So the question remains, are we waiting to find them? Or have they already found us? Do you believe aliens exist? Share your strongest argument below.